Let's talk about the features and benefits of Philips Ledinaire streetlights. It saves up to 50% energy compared to conventional lighting with an efficacy of up to 117 lumen watts. It's available in two sizes. The housing is made of die-casting aluminum and it has a clear polycarbonate cover, featuring IP65 and IK07. Furthermore, it is available in Electrical Safety Class 2 and has a surge protection of 4 kV. It's available in two color temperatures and offers up to 6,300 lumen for recommended installation heights from 4 meters to 6 meters. Their optics deliver a light distribution medium to cover more applications. Ledinaire streetlight is easy to install, prepare for site entry, thanks to its low weight and an extended cable. Thanks for watching.